How to fix Deadlock is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now in the general tab, you should find the launch options box. You can add -dx11 to the launch options box and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you will need to check if you have the latest driver updates installed for your graphics card. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can use the NVIDIA app, which you can download from the website. You can also use the AMD software if you have AMD. And from here, go to drivers and download the latest available driver. Next, you will need to open up a new browser tab and search for Redist. And you should click on the first Microsoft link. And from here, you want to scroll down to the second table for the redistributables and download and install the 86 Redist and the 64, both of these. Now, once you finish installing them for the first time, it will ask you to restart your system. And after the restart, you want to open up Steam as admin. You can search for Steam and run as admin. Right click and run as admin. And then you can try to launch the game from your library, and that should usually solve the crash problem. Now, if you have crash at the startup, there is another way to fix that. You can go to the settings and basically disable any overlays. You can start by the Steam overlay, go to Steam settings, and then you want to scroll down and click on in-game, and from here turn off the overlay. Next, you want to open up any other apps that might have overlays, such as NVIDIA. Go to settings and disable the overlay from here. And then you should also disable the Discord overlay. And then you want to click on user settings, scroll all the way down to game overlay and disable it from here. You should also disable the MSI Afterburner overlay or Riva static tuner if you have them installed. And then you can launch the game again from your library. And if it still doesn't work, try to restart your computer and launch it again. And that should usually fix the crash at the startup problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.